Ignoring backslash character in Python. This one is a bit tricky, I think. If I have. How can I ignore the, so something like. Can evaluate to true?
You don't have forward and B. You have WD, preceded by ASCII code .0c, the form feed character. That's the value Python puts there when you use it, eh? Double the O. Now A and B works. See the string literals documentation. Unless an R or R prefix is present, escape sequences in strings are interpreted according to rules similar to those used by standard C. The recognized escape sequences are B.
One way of doing it using raw strings. The relevant docs.
You need to escape the backslash, as in. Otherwise, it reads the single backslash plus F as an ASCII character, a form feed. Here's an example.